Welcome back to xarvio Field Manager. I'm Olivia, and today in our quick tutorial, we will go over how to create a farm within xarvio Field Manager. If we look to the upper left-hand corner, we'll see the Cross Farm dashboard. Click to expand this menu. Moving our cursor down, next to Your Farms, click Add New Farm. Enter your farm name here. We recommend to help best manage your customers to create a separate farm for each of your growers, labeling them appropriately with the farmer's name or the name of the farm. You can also expand here additional farm details and add a grower's name, a legal entity name, or a shipping address. Note, choosing not to fill in these boxes will still allow you to create a farm. Now tap Save. Your farm has been created and is ready for fields to be inputted. You can also create farms under Settings. Move your cursor to the upper right-hand corner and hover over the person icon. Under Teamwork, choose Farms. From here, in the top right, we'll click Add New Farm, and we can enter a farm name in here as well. You can also add any additional farm details if you wish. Tap Save, and now your farm has been created. In our next video, we will cover how to create fields using our Draw tool, our Select tool, or by uploading shapefiles. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to the xarvio support team. Happy scouting!